ब्रह्मण्यधाय कर्माणि संगम त्वक्त्वा करोति यः लिप्यते नासा पापेन padmapatram ivambasa. The lotus flower grows from the mud found at the bottom of the lake, yet it rises above the water and blossoms towards the sun, all the while retaining its beauty, purity, color and texture. Even though it owes its birth, growth and sustenance to the water, its leaves do not allow themselves to be wetted by it because of the hair-like follicles which are present on them. Similarly, you owe your birth, growth and sustenance to the environment that you are part of, but you cannot allow yourself to be influenced by the negativity of a few people. Your principles are equivalent to the hair-like follicles of the lotus, which protects you from all unwanted situations. The lotus flower represents beauty, purity, richness, wealth, resilience, grace, knowledge and serenity. What is the quality that you can imbibe to improve the overall quality of your life? Do you become victim of the external conditions? Do you easily get influenced? Do you feel compelled to support a case even though you know it's morally wrong? Do you think you are stuck in a muddy water unable to get out? Do you feel your potential is straitjacketed in your current role? Do you feel disempowered? If the answer to any of the above question is yes, you must learn to imbibe the quality of buoyancy and purity from the lotus. A pure heart will make the leap from disempowerment to empowerment. Buoyancy or resilience combined with passion which comes from the empowerment will enable you to come out of the victim mindset and embrace ambiguity. As humans, we want to know about everything and everyone all the time. And whenever we are in the dark, unsure about what is there to come, we interpret it as a danger. The key to embracing ambiguity is staying curious. Ask questions to gain more insight, but not just to others but also to yourself. Second, you must look at the muddy water obstacles as opportunities wanting to be converted as your triumphs that you can be proud of. In the words of Tom Watson, the founder of IBM, and I quote, "If you want to increase your success rate, double your failure rate." Well, can you increase your failure rate without embracing ambiguity? I guess not. D. Hawk, founder and former CEO of Visa International, says that you learn nothing from your successes except to think too much of yourself. It is from failure that all growth comes, provided you can recognize it, admit it, learn from it, rise above it, and then try again. My dear friends, embrace ambiguity. Seek pleasure in every failure as though it is bringing you closer to your success rather than pushing away. Stay resilient like the lotus. No matter how deep the mud is, you will find a way out. Stay tuned for my upcoming vlogs. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you until the next time.